Imagine your boss showing up to your desk with an angry face saying, I want to see all of the projects you're currently working on and how soon you'll have them done by. Be prepared to show that to me in the next 10 minutes at our team meeting. You frantically look at your YouTube channel and see that you have less than 500 subscribers. Now doesn't look like a good time to just throw in the towel and quit your job. So that leaves you with two options left. The first option is to click the link below, head over to my site, pay $5 and get the Gantt chart already made, beautiful, designed, and ready to go in Google Sheets. And then there's the second option. I call this option the 10-minute panic. Hold on to your hats. It's time for a real-time race against the clock. Can I create a Gantt chart in Google Sheets that will have all my projects, deadlines, and tasks organized in under 10 minutes? Let's see if we can actually make this work. And I really don't think we can. Here's my timer. 10 minutes is incredibly short, so let's just go. 3, 2, 1, go. Frantically open a spreadsheet. Click the blank sheet. All right, this is gonna be nerve-wracking. Okay, first things first. Let's set the scene and give today's date a little love. There. Now let's name this project. All right, it's time to get organized, and row 5 is the starting line for all our headers. Number, activity, category, start date, end, days, status, percent, estimated hours, actual hours. Now I need a calendar for each week. This equals that. This equals that plus 7. Select those, I drag this over. That didn't work. Let's try this again. Drag that over. And 7 minutes remaining. Whoa, this is flying by. All of it to be switched, to be a vertical, to be a lot smaller. Type in the month above. You get the point. 6 minutes left. And now, the moment of truth. Let's add our tasks and their deadlines. Start dates. The start date is the day I will start each project, and the end date is when I expect to finish one. Just equals that minus that. That will tell me how many days it takes to complete each project. So we're going to type in statuses down here. Not started, in progress, complete, blocked. Doesn't have to look pretty. Stop trying to prettify it, Dylan. Here, I want to come to data validation, add a rule. Select it from a drop down from a range. This is the range. Blue, green, red. Now that I have the different statuses for projects, I want to know how close I am to completing the project in my percent done column. Also include what my estimated hours are for each task and track my actual hours next to it. I want to see all these projects and their timelines visually. For example, to see the time each project will take, I want it to show up as gray. And if the project is in progress, I want to fill in what percent of it is completed in blue. If I'm stuck, I want to show that in orange, and if the project's done, I want the entire thing to be blue and to have a green cap at the end. To make these type of bars, we'll need some conditional formatting rules. I put all these rules in the description of this video. You can just copy and paste the formulas I'm putting in here. Conditional formatting. And I want to do a custom formula, this color. Okay, next rule I want to do is the complete rule. Change it like that, done. Okay, another rule. I gotta stop talking because I only have a minute left. Okay, now I want an in progress bar. What's going on? Oh no! Wait. Oh no, it froze. Come on! Oh, come on. I got 30 seconds left. No. Oh no, this is bad news. Come on. Okay, here we go. Back in here. Okay, coming on. Format. Conditional format. Another rule. Custom format. This color. Done. Last rule. This formula. There we go. Now I have all my projects with the Gantt chart. Done! Yes! I quit! Alright, what do you think? Can you beat my time? Give it a try and share your results in the comments below. But let's be honest, no one's gonna comment on this video, so let's just call it a day.